are replacing this furniture. This is the pair of power recliners that came with the rig. And as you can see, this furniture was not designed for full-timers. It broke down pretty quickly. We've been using this furniture less than a year, and the padding is terrible. The seats are now crooked. When you sit in them, they're kind of sideways, and they creak, and they're just in general uncomfortable. So we have ordered a piece of furniture from Lazy Boy. It will be the same type of setup, 2 power recliners with the console in the middle. Today we finally get our new recliners that are replacing those that came with our rig, that they have just fallen apart. They're not comfortable anymore. The one on the left doesn't even work anymore. So we are pretty excited. We ordered some Lazy Boy furniture, and it has taken about 6 weeks for it to get here, and the delivery guy should be here in a minute. It's been about a month now since we got our new recliners, and it's time to give you guys a follow-up. As you can see, someone really likes the recliners. Thus the reason I keep blankets on them. Well, that's one of the reasons. Another reason is I try to keep the fabric neat. It's easier to wash a blanket than it is to try and clean off the recliners. So here's the scoop with the recliners. When they're in place, they can't go all the way back when they're against the walls. So right now, I'll only show you how much space. So you can see there's quite a bit of space here between the wall and the recliner, and that's so we can fully recline them. Now, this means the feet are actually in front of the slide. And we've done this because we have been in this campground now for about a month. So when we're someplace long term, we're going to go ahead and just pull them out in front of the slide. When we move, we just have to pick up the recliner and put it just over the carpet where the slide, the carpet for the slide is. So obviously when the slide comes in, there will be room for the recliner to come up against the island in the kitchen. If we're going to be on the road, we do leave the recliners closer to the wall, and then we just have to remember that we can't recline them all the way. The nice thing about these recliners too is they have the buttons on the side, and there are controls for the footrest to go up separately from the backrest, and we really like that. Plus there's a USB outlet here. This is a bit of a problem when we do have it pulled out from the wall. The cats like to come back here, and they try to use the back of the recliners as a scratching post. Not good, huh, Poker? Nah, don't do that. Don't, no. I just caught you on video doing that, so you can't tell me you weren't doing it. We love our new recliners. They're comfy, they look good, they fit in the rig. We hope to have them for a long time. Okay, what are we doing back here? What is this, a kitty cat? No, 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 don't you scratch that. Get out of there. liked this video, please give it a thumbs up and be sure to subscribe to our channel. If you'd like to be notified of future video postings, click the bell icon. Thanks for watching.